Now that you've learned how to purl and knit, do all the increases and decreases, and cast off, we're going to learn how to cast on. I know that the out of order seems very odd, but hopefully by now you've realized there's a method to the madness. So you are set up with your tension, your hook, ball yarn in your right hand. You're going to have a long tail. This is similar to a long tail cast on. If you use the long tail cast on a lot, your brain is going to really want to go to long tail cast on because they are similar. This cast on has a lot less movements and it's going to be very simple and your brain is going to want to make it more difficult. So give yourself some grace, keep that in mind, and just think of your finger as a knitting needle and you're going to be purling off your finger needle, okay? So you have your tail yarn in your fist. You're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to loop it under. So this is the ball yarn side that's going to my hook. This is the tail yarn side. I have my naked needle here. I am going to purl right off my finger. Just like that. Give it a little tighten. Don't tighten it too much, but don't leave it too loose. As you're first learning this, these little loops are going to be pretty inconsistent, so just be mindful of that. If you tighten it up too much, then you're going to have a really hard time with your first row. So again, fist around the tail, pointer finger, loop it under, purl off your finger. Purl off your finger. And you will see that it's making a nice little braid here. The Portuguese cast on is a little bit stretchy, but not super stretchy. I use it for swatches, blankets, something I don't need a lot of stretch on, like a neckline or a hem. But it's got this really pretty little braided part to it, and it just looks really nice when you are finished with it.